So, hi, can you just tell us who you are and what you had done?
Yes, I am Twila from the upper Midwest and spending our winter down here in Arizona. I had quite a miserable spring and summer at home. We'd heard a lot of good things in our park about Dr. Goff having successful turnouts. So before we even came down here, I called the office and I was amazed. I visited with Andrea and she took down all my insurance information and we set up an appointment. So as soon as we got here, we got things moving. I had my surgery early in January. I was very apprehensive. I'd had a hip replacement that was very challenging. So I went into this with some concerns, and they were very unnecessary concerns. I am pleased to say that at a week, I was walking with my walker yet. At 2 weeks, I was using a cane and around the house, even getting by without one. And at 3 weeks, no cane at all. I am in therapy right now. My therapists tell me that I'm nailing it, setting records at 3 weeks. So at this point, I am very, very pleased where I am.
That's great. Now, is there anything else you'd like to share with people watching, like about your experience here with Goff Surgical?
Something that I was really impressed with when we walked in here, it of course was a very nice atmosphere. People were very friendly the first time, and we came back the second time and we met the same people. We weren't in a large clinic where we were bouncing around from person to person. It was always a consistent visit with the same people, which to me was worth a lot. It gave me a lot of comfort that I knew who I'd be dealing with each time I came.
Great. Twila, thank you so much for sharing your story with us. We really appreciate your time today and all the things that that you've contributed, and we look forward to seeing the rest of your journey.
Thank you.